Most people are familiar with your retaining wall block because that's what you see at Lowe's and Home Depot. What most people aren't aware of in the Northwest is we have access to natural stone rock comes out of quarries, and we can get that and use that. It's a basalt stone that comes out of the Cascade Mountains, and we're able to use that to build walls. It's been done here for for as long as people have lived here, and it's a great product. It's very cost effective, especially recently with price increases, supply chain issues. The Rockery has been able to maintain a better price because it's a naturally occurring product. They blast it out of the mountain, we pick it up, and we build with it. And it's proven itself to be a very, very high quality material as long as it's built correctly, which is something we've learned to do over the past 40 years. And so definitely look into doing a Rockery and take that into consideration. Currently, it's probably actually more cost effective than doing a block wall even. So most of the time people think that when they see those beautiful rock retaining walls, they're going to be a lot more expensive than a block wall. And in our case, they're actually going to be more cost effective than doing a block wall because it's a naturally occurring product here in the Northwest. The other reason that Rockeries can be done by our team cost effectively is because we have a team specialized for installing these types of walls. You have to have the right equipment, you have to have the right technical skill, and and obviously the right supply chains connections with the providers of the product. And so we've established all those things, and so we can get in. We're very good at building Rockeries as opposed to block walls. We can build a very good block wall as well, but just from the years of doing it, the rock walls are a really great, solid, and cost-effective option with our team. If you'd like to learn more about New Life Rockeries, please contact us and we'd be happy to provide a free consultation.